Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine at your home and you are also studying well. So, in our previous sessions, we have discussed about electroplating, we have discussed about the single phase AC motor, and many more daily life cycle skills. Okay, so today, same we are going to discuss about the Newton's first law of motion. Okay, as you all know, Newton was a great physician and he was a scientist also. So he has discovered or he has brought into the minds of the people that something, a force is acting on an object. Okay, but how it is acting, we are going to discuss it today. So, Isaac Newton has discovered the three laws of motion. So, what are those three laws? We will discuss it one by one. Now, we are going to discuss is Newton's first law of motion with our daily life examples. Okay. So, what does this Newton's first law of motion state? That an object comes to in a rest position or moves in a uniform motion until and unless an external force is applied to it. Okay, for example, if this pen is kept here on the blackboard, will this pen come directly and start writing? No, it is not going to happen. Why is it so? So, Newton has observed this kind of experiment in his daily life and has started explaining that why is it happening. And he wrote this first postulate. What is that? An object will continue to remain at rest. मतलब एक हाथ कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है वो उसी जगह पे ऐसे ही पड़े रहेगा, बट कब तक? Until and unless some external unbalanced force is acted on it. जब तक मैं इसके ऊपर फोर्स नहीं लगाऊंगा तब तक ये पेन मेरे हाथ में नहीं आएगी. Likewise, if any object is in its motion, ठीक है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है वो मोशन में है, वो भी उसके रेस्ट पोजीशन पे तब तक नहीं आएगा जब तक उस पे कोई अनबैलेंस फोर्स एक्टेड नहीं है, राइट? Until and unless any external force is acted upon it. Is that clear? Now we will go with the examples. Okay. What can be the first example of Newton's first law? Any object you consider. For example, a bench which is kept in front of you, or a chairs, or any object which is lying in and around your circumstances. वो अपनी जगह से जब तक नहीं हिलेगा until and unless an external unbalanced force is applied on it. Is that clear? Now we'll take the second example of uniform motion. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लिख लेंगे any object. Okay, second circular motion. अभी for example think if you are playing a cricket or if you are playing a football. फुटबॉल खेलते टाइम क्या होता है? यू किक अ बॉल विथ योर लेग. ओके, अगर राइट हैंड है तो राइट लेग से किक करोगे और लेफ्टी हो तो लेफ्ट लेग से किक करोगे. सो हैव यू ऑब्जर्व दिस सर्कुलर बॉल? ओके, once it is hit, what will happen? It will roll and go. But ये मोशन तब तक कंटिन्यू होता है until and unless an external force is acted upon. अभी आप बोलोगे कि सर ये फुटबॉल अपने आप रुकता कैसे? It will stop if any basket, मतलब फुटबॉल का जो गोल बास्केट होता है वहां पे ये बॉल स्ट्राइक होके जब रिटर्न आएगा तब स्टॉप होगा. और have you thought about an external force like friction acting on it? Yes. So क्या होता है? ये बॉल जब रोल हो रहा है, what will happen? An external frictional force will act in a reverse direction, right? जब भी आप बेसबॉल खेल रहे हो या फिर फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो, ये रोल होगा और अपने आप जाके थोड़े पोजीशन पे स्टॉप हो जाएगा. So what is the reason behind stopping at? the opposite frictional force will act on this ball, and that is why this ball will stop at some point. अगर ये फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स या फिर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नहीं होते, सो व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड, हर समय आपको नया नया बॉल लेना पड़ता था खेलने के लिए, राइट? एक बार 6 मार दिया तो वो जा रहा है सीधा 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 सीधा, कोई मर्क्यूरी पे गया, कोई प्लूटो पे गया, कोई जुपिटर पे गया, कोई सैटर्न, कोई मार्स, wherever it can go. But what is happening once you hit the ball, what will happen? Gravitational force will pull that ball towards it, and that is the reason why your ball will come to a rest position when an unbalanced force act on it, right? Same wise, when you hit the ball on the ground पे कौन सा फोर्स एक्ट होगा? फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स। और मैंने आपको पहले लेसन में पढ़ाया है कि फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स एक्ट्स इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन। देखिए बॉल का डायरेक्शन कौन सा है एंड फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स का डायरेक्शन कौन सा है। I hope this first postulate of Newton's first law is very clear to you. क्या बोलता है Newton's first law? An object will continue to remain at rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by an external unbalanced force. Okay, hope so this postulate is clear to you. Try to find out such examples related to Newton's first law of motion. Thank you so much for watching this video. With next video I will come up with second law of motion.